Yeah, I. Oh. I have to go to the library to scan my ticket, scan my seat. I have to get to class. Wait, I forgot where I parked my bike. Oh. Here. Wait. It's weird. There's no crowd. It's Friday. Friday. It's kind of cold, to be honest. Look at the dogs. Look at the ripples. Oh. I want it that way. Welcome back, Nadish.
Two dots become a foot. So what does it? What is it? And here, this one, this, it is like this. So the dot indicates a person's head. This horizontal here becomes a person's. And this is the bed. And here the two dots is the foot, the foot of the bed. So that it means.
下课以后，我不知道。哇，cold. It's currently 12th of December. 9 days. From now on, he said that I cannot have 3 rice. I mean, yeah. Shaving chunks. This is so good. It's only 4 yen. Ooh, cold. It's colder. It's so windy. It's cold. Look at how windy it is. 加油. Oh, NMU. Wow. Oh yeah, I have laboratory thing today. Yay. Going to the lab. My third lab. Did I just heard I say how can I know I I know. What's that? This is the building that we go to do labs. Ifu building. It's kind of cold. Rock star. I'm a rock star. He said hi. Okay. This is the urinal. Here's the I really look like that. Huh.
So we can here you use this equation. We use the rate. Then here this is the rate. Then use the rate to divide the concentration. Then just look at here. We have to know the rate, know the concentration, know the number of the NMP. So we don't know the order. We can't tell you the unit of the constant. Have the time. Then this waste we must put to the blue bottle here, flask. Okay. Here the waste to here. Then we can use the water clean here, clean this flask. Then we can get another. Okay. So
Make sure. Aishi, can I borrow your timer?
The others are 10, right? The others are 10, right?
Oh, this is the long one. Why is it already clear?
Then the M and B area, here.
You have four numbers.
Concentration, this A, this B, then this E, is all concentration, then M.
Already done. Wait, do I really look that stupid? I have to get this done first. Ni hao, ni hao. This is the third lab experiment out of the 4 in this semester. Quite fun. I have asked about how to do the board. White dove. Although the weather is very depressing, at least my face is not. Yeah. Super sight. I'm gonna turn the lights low. Quá phăng. Astagfirullah. The mission was too long. We waited too long. Smoking. I only got 3 lemons. What happened to Mixue? Currently it's 7 p.m. Astagfirullah. 7 p.m. I'm going to the gymnasium. Lucky you. Oh, wind is brutal, fierce. Wow. Lucky. Luck come to me. Face gone. Oh, what is it? It's so windy, and also it's about to rain. Rain on me. No, it's about to rain. Astagfirullah. His phone dropped. Lol. I cannot focus. No, my bike fell. Astagfirullah. Oh. Astagfirullah. Wow. It's cold. It's currently 8 degrees Celsius. Oh no. Oh no. It's so cold. Oh. Why is it? It's so windy. At least my fingers are adapted to the coldness. Oh, I think my bike fell because of the wind, isn't it? It's so windy. It's so windy. Look at this. Imagine. Wow. I think it's because of the wind. No one hates me. My bike is bad news. I didn't find the screw. Yeah. What? Oh, I'm gonna see. Oh. And this. What's that one? What? No, it's this. Wait. Try it. This is what made an emotional bond between me and my Look at this. Wait, can you look? Oh. This is the original one. This is the replacement one. I have to tighten it. Let's try tightening it. Imagine it's 7 degrees. 7 degrees Celsius. Ooh. Hi. Which one? Oh, okay. I finally found it. Thankfully, the bike owner, the previous bike owner, gave me this Swift. I don't know, multifunctional thingy. So I have to tighten it, the other one again. Tighten. Okay. And it's currently 10:21 on a Friday. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Bye bye. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Okay, there's no ghost. Ooh, is this a party? No, it's not.